Hi, in this video we will see the second experiment of the machine learning techniques lab. So in the first step, I imported the dataset using the pandas and checked its shape. Then I removed the unnecessary columns, chlorides and free sulfur dioxides. After dropping this column, I again checked the dataset shape to confirm the changes. You can see it here. So in the second step, uh, I detected the outliers using the IQR method. For each numerical column, I calculated Q1, Q3 and IQR range. Then I identified the columns containing outlier and removed the columns from the dataset. This output. In the third step, I remove the features with very low variance, meaning columns that do not change much. I selected the columns with variance less than 0.5 and dropped them as they do not contribute much to the prediction. So in the first step, I calculated the correlation of each feature with the target variable quality. Then I removed the features with correlation less than 0.1 since they have very weak relationship with the output. So in step 5, I check for the highly correlated feature pairs. If two features are strongly correlated with each other, they provide redundant information. So in sixth step, for each highly correlated pair, I compare the correlation with the target variable. Then I remove the feature that had lower correlation with quality, keeping the more important one. So this was the output we got from that. In step 7, I apply feature selection using select k best with the chi-square test. Before that, I scale the data using min-max scaler. Finally, I selected the top 5 most important features. So in the step 8, I use mutual information to measure feature importance. Then I applied PCA, which reduces the datasets into fewer dimensions while preserving the maximum variance. I reduced the data into two principal components. Step 9. In step 9, I apply LDA to reduce the dimensions while maximizing class separation. This helps improve classification performances. Step 10 and 11. In the step 10 and 11, I performed a simple image processing task using OpenCV. I loaded a grayscale image and calculated the mean pixel value as a feature. I also displayed the image using the Matplotlib. These were done in the total steps of step 10 and 11. We are basically using OpenCV in this. Overall, I performed a multiple feature selection and dimensionality reduction techniques to improve the data quality and model performance. Thank you.